Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 3 for trigonometry. Today's lesson involves stage 5.2 and 5.1 work. First of all, the learning intention for 5.1 is to apply trigonometry to solve right angle triangle problems. And we're going to select and use appropriate trig ratios in right angle triangles to find unknown sides, including the hypotenuse. Lesson 4 will look at angles. So we have this kind of a problem, for example 9. Find the value of the missing side in the triangle below. So we need to find this side. So which ratio equals sine 31 degrees? Something over 5. So I like to think of what the hypotenuse is first of all. And we don't know that, so we're not going to use sine or cos. We know that the opposite is x and the adjacent is 5. So it's not sine, it's not cos, but it's TOA that we're going to use. So tan 31 degrees, tan of this angle is opposite over adjacent, x over 5. So we get this equation. Tan 31 degrees equals x over 5. So if we multiply both sides by 5, we get x equals 5 times tan 31 degrees. On our calculator, that comes out to be 3.0 to 1 decimal place. So that's the value of x. So 3 over 5 is the same as tan 31 degrees. In example 10, same kind of problem. This time around we need to find the hypotenuse. We know the adjacent, so we're going to use cosine. So this is the one that we use. Adjacent is 17.4 and hypotenuse is x. So we get this equation. This time around we multiply both sides by m. So m comes over here. And then we divide by cos 22 degrees to give us this equation. So m equals 18.8 to 1 decimal place. So when the unknown is on the bottom, we have a divide situation. And if we go back to this one, x, the unknown, is on top, we have a times. So when it's on top, we times. When it's on the bottom, when m's on the bottom, or x, we divide. For the 5.2 content, the difference is that we're going to use degrees and minutes. So we get problems like this one. 40 degrees, 26 minutes. I like to go through the hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent process. We don't know the opposite, so we're not going to use sine or tan. So we use cos, cosine, 40 degrees 26 minutes equals x over 43.95. X is on the top, so we times. So now 43.95 times cos 40 degrees 26 minutes equals 33.45. So make sure you use this button for the degrees and minutes. If you get an error, chances are you haven't put the degree sign after 26. It's good practice to actually close the brackets too. With the divide problem, sometimes you get an error. Make sure you keep persevering. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you get stuck.